Welcome to the concrete pour. This happened while we were away. We've got concrete. It's all nice and dry in the middle. Have quite a rainstorm going on.
Gutters will go on.
Gutters will go on. And we'll, what do they call that when they put wood on the edge? So
Flashing.
Flashing,
Fascia.
but then facing. Or fascia.
Fascia.
They'll put some wood on the end.
Gutters.
And gutters.
See, they brought those supports into that beam that they're creating.
Yeah.
They'll do the same thing here.
I forgot. Yeah, that happened too.
Yeah.
They brought the angled support around the corner.
Yeah. And they'll do it at this end as well.
And I don't know if you can see it, but there's wires hanging down, so we went ahead and roughed in, at least ran some electrical wire, electrician did, so that we can have some light underneath later on. So that's it. Given the storm, this is Etta. I don't think we're going to see anybody tomorrow. Probably not Friday, but we'll see. That's it for today.